Hi, Michael Nesbitt here from Bike Marketer and the Bike Marketer team. Here to do another software review for you. I hope everyone is very well and safe today. Now today the product is called WP Content Factory, and it is a fantastic idea. What it does is it creates 100% unique content that's relevant to your particular niche, and it gets this from 12 different content sources. So the where it gets it from is Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Amazon, eBay, Flickr, Craigslist, CreaJet, Dailymotion, iTunes and Vimeo. Now imagine being able to actually rank for what people are actually searching for, because it doesn't matter if you get to number one if people aren't actually searching for that particular thing. So if you're into something which is really rare and really different and really out there on a limb, and there's only another 100 people in the world that are actually searching for that, then it's never going to really make you any money. So what this does is it creates unique content for you that's really relevant to your niche in top niches. That's what it does for you. So what we'll do is we'll crack on with this now. Now the way this works is really clever. Now it's all the secrets that are being used by other companies that collect all the content together. So the likes of Verge and Copyblogger and Blick, they're banking on millions and they're cranking out all of this YouTube content constantly fast, and they don't create a scratch of it every single time. What they do is they spin a lot of this content, so it grabs content from one place that's very popular, brings it, sticks it on that site, and then people obviously are searching for that all of the time, so they will come across that site, so you will get ranked higher. Now these kind of secrets are what this software has borrowed, and this software uses to actually get your site ranked really highly. It's really clever and really intuitive. So it's packed with money making features. Now this is really important, because obviously getting ranked is one thing, but you need to know how to monetize things, and this is the key. So it's got profitable sites plus free traffic. You can earn affiliate commission. There's WordPress plugin, build flexible sites, the most popular content management software. Okay, add affiliate products in one click. So these are the ways you can actually make money. So if you look at the profitable sites and free traffic, they enjoy daily traffic from likes of Google, Bing, Yahoo, all of these different places. So it's not just one search engine, it's absolutely everyone. When you have a look at how many search engines there are out there, there's absolutely tons of them. So the other great thing it did, as I mentioned a few minutes ago, it integrates with 12 platforms as well. It also has really easy to follow tutorials within it, and it can auto-generate all of this information, so you don't actually have to write anything. If you don't like writing, this is the key for you. If you want something done quickly, this is the product for you without a doubt. And it spins all of this content really brilliantly as well. So you get 100% hot, because it's viral content that people are actually searching for. Hot, viral, unique content every single solitary day. When I go into the what I'll do is I'll get one of their team has done a fantastic demo and shows you exactly how to do this. So I'll go in and I'll put that in the video as well, so you'll actually see how it's actually done, and it's really straightforward. So there's got auto blogging built in, which is fantastic for you with all the content being spun. You can build an email list from this, because obviously you'll get tons and tons of traffic from it, and people will come to you. So the money is in the list in that respect. If they're in your niche, then they will buy more than one product. So it makes total and absolute sense. You get regular software updates, and it's fast and reliable support is what this developer actually has. Now, people do billions of keyword searches every single day. So if you get content from the things that people are actually doing searches on, this is called viral searches. So this is how you actually will get tons and tons of traffic, because it's what people are actually searching for. So this is a really great product, and there's no need to be a writer, because it manually creates hours and hours of content for you. It spins all the content that you want in your particular niche as well. So it's automated fresh content, as I've just said, free traffic from search engines, as I've just mentioned, and turns the traffic into products, which I have just mentioned as well, which is great. So it auto-transcribes this, and you get posts every single day. all on viral topics. Now, a viral topic is the thing that people are actually searching for. Now, at this moment in time, there's lots and lots of things happening. I know that the Olympics has been cancelled recently, so that's because of the coronavirus. So that's brilliant that people would be searching are the Olympics on. So that's one kind of viral search that is occurring, and there'll be lots of things all of the time. So if you build something at a particular time of year when there's certain events on, give you, like, obviously Christmas is the obvious one, Thanksgiving, Halloween, the likes of that, you know that people are searching for those certain things. So if you have an eBay shop or an Amazon shop, or you have a website that sells things, then you can obviously just get links to where these products are on Amazon, find how much they are, get images, put them up on your site, and you know people are going to be searching for Halloween stuff, so then you can obviously produce the right kind of thing at the right time. A software like this will do this automatically for you, which is absolutely fantastic. So what happens is you rank for what is actually being searched for, which is great. Unlimited traffic from the search engines, from Google, Bing, Yahoo, other search engines, there's Ask, DuckDuckGo, Safari if you've got an Apple phone. So it gets traffic from all of those as well. And you get profit from the travel searches. You can mass produce articles in niches that are people are searching for every single day. So you don't just have to do one little thing and have one piece of one article coming up, or get them to spin something on one particular topic. You can mass produce this, which is what a lot of people will do with this product, and it is really, really suggested that you should mass produce articles fast and drive tons of profitable traffic to your site, because it can be done. Now you can have multiple unique original content in any site. So if there's a particular thing, you can just produce tons and tons of it, and then you'll have mass traffic, which will obviously increase your profits again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and get one of their team to do a quick demo. We'll put the demo in there for you, which will give you an understanding of how straightforward and simple this actually is. I think this is a great product. I think it could work extremely well. Then I'll go into the gift for today, the bonuses, and the OTO that we would recommend for you. So I will do that now for you. Cheers.
The way this is done is through these channel watchers. Think of it as a content campaign. It's where you choose what kind of topics and niches to focus on. So let's say I want to have a gaming content on my site. I'll start with YouTube. Let's give this campaign a name. Now let's head over to YouTube to find suitable YouTube channels. This channel looks good, and to get YouTube channel's ID, just look at the address bar in your browser. It's this long string of random letters that comes after channel and slash. Just grab that and paste it right here. You can also narrow down even further by providing a keyword to filter content by. I'll just leave this blank for now. And lastly, you need to choose which category on your site this content should be posted to. I'm going with entertainment. Let's save this channel watcher. Wait a minute for it to process, and let's go see if any new posts were added. And you'll discover 10 new posts. Let's go ahead and check one. And it's looking pretty good. It's got a video, some comments, and if you refresh the actual site, you'll see a bunch of nice looking posts. And keep in mind that the plugin will automatically keep pulling new content every day, several times per day, as often as you wish.
Hi, and thanks very much there for the demo. That was really, really good and informative, and so straightforward and simple, wasn't it? So this is our part of our bonus today. This is a surprise bonus for you, and what you will get is you will get agency reseller rights with this as a pay member. So all of this fantastic content that WP Content Factory gives you, you will be able to protect it with pay member, which protects membership sites and all of this fantastic content that you have. It will keep it all safe, and people will have to pay for the privilege to actually see it. So this you can sell on as well. You get agency rights with it, and It normally costs about $97, I believe, for the agency rights, and $27 for the actual product pay member itself. So that's our first bonus for today, and now I'll go into the gift and the other bonuses that we have for you, plus the OT. And the first bonus for today is called Social Media Income from Pinterest, and it's a series of videos which I will stress that I really like videos. The information just seems to stick with me far better than actually reading ebooks. So I do agree with a few messages that I've had off people where they'll do like to get videos. And what this does is it gives 6 different videos, so it will give you a full in-depth knowledge of how to actually make money from Pinterest as well. So now I will go into the second bonus for you. And this is the second bonus for you for today, which is ideas for making money on Craigslist, or Craigslist as they call it in the USA, but we pronounce it properly because we're English, but there you go. So here's the different contents here. You get tons and tons and tons of things. Absolutely massive. It's all 35 pages, and how to make money on Craigslist is a really good idea. We've never had this bonus out or anything like this before on Craigslist, but this new product has made us look at new bonuses as well, so that's something fresh and new and exciting for you there. And now I will go into the OTO that we have for you for today. The OTO that we recommend today with WP Content Factory is OTO 1, and what you get with this, you get extra forms of traffic from various places. You get linked to ClickBank, Instagram, Reddit, eSign articles, and RSS feeds as well. So that's the OTO 1 that we would recommend for you today. Cheers. Just before I go into the synopsis for today, this is your gift for today, which is called Traffic Secrets Unleashed, and it's a massive series of videos to help you here on all different kinds of stuff, all different kinds of social media. As you can see here, you've got 4 Shared, 7 Search, eBay Classics, Oodle, Sites, Coot, Stick Deals, Tribe, Viral Content, Buzz, Wicketfire. It's all different kinds of techniques that you can use, which will work absolutely brilliant with this product today. It will really work really well with WP Content Factory without a shadow of a doubt. So what I will do is I'll go into a synopsis of everything that we've spoken about today. You can. The thing with WP Content Factory is you can get 100% unique content that's ultra relevant to your niche. That is the key to this. Imagine being able to rank for what people are actually searching for, and people actually coming across your site because you've got the right kind of content that people are actually searching for online. And you get 12 different content sources here: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Amazon, eBay, Flickr, Craigslist, CareerJet rather, Dailymotion, iTunes, and Vimeo, which is really brilliant, and it'll work really well. Now, it's all the secrets that other sites are using. Other sites like The Verge, Copyblogger, and Blick all use these kind of techniques, and this is why this will work extremely well for you. So that's it for today. WP Content Factory will work extremely well for you. Imagine being able to rank for what people are actually searching for. It's really quite fantastic. And as you saw from the demo, it's really easy to get all of this daily content, which will be massive for you. My name is Michael Nesbitt. On behalf of Dan Green and the Bike Marketer team, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching again. Please take care and stay safe out there, no matter where you are in the world. Please click the notification bell below, subscribe to this channel, share this on all your social media, and I will be back very soon to help you with another software review. Take care now, all the best. Cheers, speak to you soon. See you, bye.